Hobout App Review 2025. Is it the best social networking? The Hobout app has been gaining traction in 2025, but is it really the best social networking platform? Let's break it down. Hobout focuses on casual social interactions, quick polls, and real-time challenges with friends. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another messaging app, but Hobout gamifies social interaction and keeps engagement high with interactive prompts. You won't believe what happens next. It also lets users create mini communities around shared interests, which encourages more active participation than passive scrolling. The interface is clean, mobile first, and designed for fast interactions. Notifications are non-intrusive, but effective, and privacy settings allow you to control who sees your activity. Pricing is free, with optional premium features for customization and exclusive content. While it's not yet as big as Facebook or Instagram, it's growing steadily due to its unique approach to engagement. The surprising truth is that social networking doesn't always have to be about endless feeds. It can be about playful, meaningful interactions. For users looking for a fresh, fun alternative to traditional social apps, Hobout is worth exploring.